Hello viewers, are you experiencing YouTube video like, dislike, share option not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search YouTube. Just search for YouTube. From here, update your YouTube app if available any update version. After completing update process, now find YouTube app and tap and hold YouTube app. Now open YouTube app info. Just click on I button or app info. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. After this process, now open YouTube and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.